Good morning to all of you. So, we are continuing with the same chapter, chemical reactions. So, in our last class we have discussed some of the types of chemical reactions. Today we are continuing the same one. So, last day we have studied about the different types of chemical reactions. What are they? The first one is the combinations reactions, isn't it? So, in combinations reactions, what it does, the two chemicals are combined to form a single chemicals or chemical substance. Like we have given the example of H2 plus O2 H2O, isn't it? So, this is the example of combinations reactions in which the two chemical substance are combined to form a single chemical substance, combinations reactions. Then after that we again studied the next one is the decompositions reactions. So, decompositions reactions means what? Decompose means dissociations reactions is also said to be. So, what is dissociations? That is breaking down into two. That is, this compound is break down into, or we can say that it is the opposite types of the combinations reaction. Means one single chemical is been divided into two parts. We have given the example of CaCO3, isn't it? Calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So, these are the two types of chemical reactions yesterday we have discussed on. So, the third types today we are going to study the third types of chemical reaction, that is called as the displacement reactions. Displacement, the two words dis and placement. Placement means the place where it is present, and dis means that is changing of place. Where it is been kept, it is been changed into another part, that is the displacement reactions. So, before going to the displacement reaction, one thing should be known, that is the types of displacement of reactions. So, what is displacement reactions? It is a types of chemical reactions in which one atom, be remember, one atom or a group of atom from one chemical substance, it replaced to the another form or another chemical substance, that is called as the displacement reaction. Means, for example, AB, two atoms are combined to form means compound or the molecule. These are the combinations of the two chemicals substance. Okay. So, or A and CD. Okay. Then it has been replaced, one of these will be replaced by the another one, suppose C plus AD, or for your easiness we can say that A plus BC equals to then AC plus B. The first one is been replaced by the another one. Okay. That is called as the displacement reactions, in which what happened, A replaced the positions of which one? Which atom? A replaced the positions of C. Yes, isn't it? So, A replaced the positions of C and AD is combined, that is called as the displacement reaction. Likewise, if we see the another example, A and BC, A replaced the positions of B, B individually exists and the A and C are combined. So, these types of chemical reactions is called as single displacement. Single displacement chemical reactions. Okay, single displacement chemical reactions. So, before going to the chemical reactions example, I want to write something on here, that is potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, ferrous, lead, hydrogen, then copper, Hg, that is mercury, then silver, then Arium and Pt. Arium means gold. So why this I am writing? What is this? This is the reactivity of the atom. Okay. So while replacing the group or atoms, the replacements occur according to the reactivity of the atoms. Then you have studied the reactivity of the means fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, isn't it? So this also the reactivity of the fluorine is more or less more than the chlorine and bromine. So this is one of the example. I will make you easier to remember it, but first what I want to mean that we have to understand. Let us take one example. Zinc plus hydrochloric acid, HCl, dilute. Okay. Zinc is the solid and hydrochloric is the liquid. So what happened? So hydrogen and zinc, that should be replaced according to our general formula, isn't it? That should be replaced, or it will replace or not, how we can know? Let's see the chart here. Hydrogen position is in the lower parts, isn't it? The hydrogen positions is the lower part and zinc is in the higher positions. So zinc is more reactive than the hydrogen here. Therefore, zinc replace hydrogen. That means that zinc chloride and hydrogen is formed. So do you understand what I say? Why it is? Because zinc is the upper positions than the hydrogen. Let us take another example again. So zinc plus hydrogen sulfate, it is a type of same types of chemical reaction. So it will also what happen? ZnSO4 plus H2 means hydrogen is been replaced by zinc, isn't it? Let us take another example. It is a same types of example. So third one, potassium bromide aqueous plus chlorine. Now what will happen? What will happen? Let's see. Potassium is highly reactivity, isn't it? And among bromine and chlorine, let's see which one is more reactive. Which one is more reactive in bromine and chlorine? Chlorine is more reactive than the bromine. Therefore, what happened? The bromine will replace the chlorine. That means KCl plus Br2 diatomic. That means 2. Do you understand what I say? The positions will replace. Let us take the another example. You may are more clear about that one. The another example, potassium iodide plus chlorine aqueous. What happened? Let's see the same chart. Iodine in the lower positions and chlorine in the upper positions. Okay? Iodine in the lower positions and the chlorine is in the upper position. Therefore, chlorine will more reactive than the iodine. And now what happened? Now iodine will be replaced by chlorine. That means potassium chloride plus iodine. Okay. This is the another example. Let's see other also. It will make you easier, because if you know this one, then for chemical reactions it is very easy. Suppose number 5, potassium chloride plus then iodine. What happened? What will be the reactions? If the reactions will take place or not? What will be the reactions? If the reactions will take place or not? Let's see. Chlorine is more reactive than the iodine. So, is it possible that iodine will replace chlorine? No, it is not possible. Therefore, the reactions will not take place. Understand what I say? Therefore, their reactions will not take place. That means every way the reactions will not take for every atoms. That should be known. Okay. Then the next, let's take another example. 5. Then ferrous. It is important for you. Okay. Ferrous plus copper sulfate. Okay. Now, can you tell me that it will replace or not? Let's see. Ferrous in which positions? Here, and it is from here. Hydrogen from here means it is downwards. Okay, it is downwards. So, after ferrous and copper is here. That means copper is less reactive than the ferrous here. Therefore, what happened? FeSO4, ferrous sulfate plus copper. Okay, ferrous sulfate plus copper. Understand what I say? I think now it is somewhat clear for you. Then the next one, AgNO3, silver nitrate, react with copper. The reactions will take place or not? Let's see. Silver and copper. So, which one is alone? Which one is alone? Silver or copper? So, copper is more reactive than the silver. Therefore, what happened? Copper sulfate, copper nitrate plus silver. Okay, the copper nitrate plus silver. So, in this way the reactions take place. Understand? Now, how we will by heart this one? The questions arise there. How we can know? In periodic table you have studied about the periodic or the group. So, halogens we can know that, but this one, how I used to by heart this one? This is Kedarnath ke Maji. केदारनाथ के माझी आलू जरा फीकी पकाता है. ओके, केदारनाथ के माझी आलू फीका पकाता है. केदारनाथ के and Na नाथ, then Ca का, Mg माझी, आलू Al, फीका जरा Zara, जरा Zn, फीका Fe, then पकाता Pb है hydrogen. Okay, so what are the reactivity of the metal? That is केदारनाथ के माझी आलू जरा फीका पकाता है. Okay. Likewise, then another one, that is hydrogen, copper, silver, mercury, silver, gold and PT. So it how will go? How high court, okay, high court hai aapka, that is high hydrogen court Cu, then Hg hai aapka. That we can by heart this one. So we have to understand the first digit, first number or first letter. So we have to remember the things also. We should know the symbol over here. But for make us easy or for the remembering, we have to link up. So how we link up? Kedarnath ka maji alu fika jara fika pakata hai. You close your eye, first you see this one, then repeat twice this means sentence, and again you close your eyes and remember that one. So you will easily by heart within a second, 30 seconds. It will not take more than 30 seconds. So chemistry is easy if you use technique. Otherwise, it is most difficult way to remember that one. Okay. So for this, we know that according to the halogens group, the reactivity of the elements will be opposite to the metal. Okay. So I will rub this one, or if you want to copy this one, you can copy it by pausing the video. Okay. Now comes to the next one is the double displacement. Double displacement reactions. Double displacement reactions. So what is double displacement? Displacement means one atom will replace the chemical substance. One atom or a group of atom replace the another chemical form, isn't it? Now double displacement means both of them will be replaced. For example, AB, two atoms are being combined to form a molecule, and the another two atoms are combined to form another molecules. They replace each other. A will combine with C, AC will form, and B will combine with D to form BD. Okay. So B will combine to form PD. So in the what happened? This group are being replaced to AC. Then A will replace what? A will replace or B will replace by C, isn't it? And B will go to the B will combine with D like that. So it will replace like that. So let us take some example. So example AgNO3, that is silver nitrates aqueous combined with sodium chloride. Okay. What happened? Silver nitrate combined with NaCl. Then what happened? Silver will be replaced by sodium. Okay. That means it will form NaNO3. Na, sodium nitrate plus what happened? Sodium nitrate plus silver chloride, AgCl. Okay. So that is silver nitrate plus Cl2. So this will be formed. What happened? Silver nitrate. In silver nitrate, silver is been replaced by sodium to form what? To form sodium nitrate. Sodium nitrate, and this is replaced and means silver is combined with chlorine. Yes, silver is combined with chlorine to form silver chlorides, AgCl. Okay. Let us take the another example. It is important for your exam also. Now the another one example, that is calcium chloride, CaCl2 Okay, calcium chloride react with AgNO3, silver nitrate, AgNO3. Then what happened? Same thing, means calcium will be replaced by silver. Calcium will be replaced by silver. If you see the chart, you will find that what? That is Ca is more reactive than the what? That is Ag. So, Ca and calcium nitrate plus then what? AgCl. Okay, AgCl. So, what we come to know that double displacement reactions means it is a types of reactions in which the atoms of one chemical substance will be replaced by another one, or they form a new substance, combined forms of new substance, and replacement take place in both the reactants to form a new product. Okay, to form a new product, both the reactants will be what? Displaced. Then the next comes to the another one, that is BaCl2, barium chloride react with hydrogen sulfate. Then what happened? BaCl2 is combined with means SO4. This is high reactivity than the chlorine. Okay, and this is more reactive. This is more reactive than this one. Means this is less reactive than this, and this is so both the high reactive elements atoms will be combined together. Molecules or atoms will be combined together to form BaSO4. Then plus HCl. Okay, BaSO4 plus HCl. So, we see that the combinations of the reactions, it is been replaced. Let us take another example. So, it will ask in your exam also. Therefore, you should practice well. AgCl2 plus Ki, potassium iodide. So, we have studied about the Kedarnath. Okay. So, you see there where which one is more reactive. Chlorine is more reactive or iodine is more reactive? First one. Okay. Then the next one is means mercury is more reactive or potassium is more reactive. So, high reactive elements are combined together and less reactive will combine together. Means because the energy should be balanced. That is why we have to see that chart. So, among that one, K is more reactive than HI, yes, then fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So, iodine is less reactive than the what? Than the mercury. So, therefore, what happened? The reaction will be AgI2 plus potassium chloride. Balance chemical equations. Okay. Let us take the last example. Then PbNO3 whole 2. Okay, this is important. PbNO3 plus H2SO4. Okay, H2SO4. So, what happened? Pb will be replaced by hydrogen because Pb is less reactive. So, therefore, what happened? PbSO4 plus 2NaNO3. So, I think you understand about the double displacement reactions also, and single displacement reactions. Let us take to the another example about acid and base reactions. Okay, I will rub this one. Acid base reaction. So what is acid base reactions? Generally it is same types of double displacement reactions. Okay, it is the same types of double displacement reactions. Why double displacement? In which the hydrogen ion of the acids react with the hydroxide ion of the base to form water and ionic salt. For example, we can say that acid base reaction HCl plus NaOH. What happened? Where the reaction take place? The question is where the reaction take place. That take place in hydrogen ion, means that is H plus Cl minus. Hydrogen ion along with the, that is what, sodium plus OH ion. You have studied in class 9 about the ionic and the valency. So this will be what happened. This will react to form what? To form what? Water. This will react to form water, and this will forms what? NaCl, that is ionic salt. So acid base reactions is a types of reactions in which acid, the means hydrogen ion and the OH ion, hydroxide ions or the other ion, that reacts to forms of water and salt. Okay, or simply we can say that here the example, let us take the another example also, that is H2SO4 plus CaO, calcium oxide. Okay, so what happened this one? It forms calcium sulfate CaSO4, that is calcium salt, plus what is remain on now? What is remain? To form what? Water. Good. To form water. Then another example, let us see H2SO4 plus NaOH. So what happened again? So what I said that hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion or oxide ion, you remember oxide ion or hydroxide means OH ion. So they come together to form what? Water. What is remain? What is remain now? That is sodium sulfate, NaSO4, that is sodium salt. Okay. Then another example let us take, that is HNO3 plus CaOH whole 2. That is what? Slack lime or quick lime? That is slack lime. Okay. So nitric acid combined with calcium hydroxide to form what? That what we will need? We will see this one. So what is remain on? That is water. Okay. Now what is remain on? Calcium nitrate, CaNO3 whole 2. Okay. So these are the acid base reactions we have. We are trying to complete the thermochemical reactions also, but thermochemical reactions is a types of chemical reactions that in which the heat, according to the heat release or gain, the chemical reactions are being explained. Along with this, there are another types of chemical reactions are also studied in class 11, that is oxidizations and reductions reactions. We don't have in our chapter, that therefore we will not study. Although thankful to all of you for watching this video, and I hope you understand something. So tomorrow we will again continue with the thermochemical reactions. Thank you to all of you.